Bakit ka nandito sa bilihan ng mga alahas? Nabila ka ng sing-sing ni Jay. Bakit ka pa bibili ng sing-sing sa Vietnam pa? Window with her. Parang blurred yun. Parang ma-blurred. Ma-blurred. Hi! Second day here at Hanoi. First stop namin is the Hanoi Cathedral. This is the biggest Catholic church here in Hanoi. I think there, pwede magsindi ng kandila. See if it's possible. Siyempre, ayan na naman ang mga Hanoi, I don't know what they're called, sorry. Hanoi sarap. Kumakain talaga sila sa gilid-gilid. I do not enter. You wanna try? We are gonna try. May free taste. Nilo pa. Parang kamote. Kumbaga parang parang, dito naman tayo sa Hua Lo Prison. This is our second destination for today. It's a museum. Sa Ho Chi Minh, di ba may mga War Memorial Museum? I think it's quite similar to that. Pero ito yung talagang ginawa siyang prison ng French colonialists daw. Pero syempre, hindi mawawala ang pag-shopping ni Tita Joey. Bakit pa dito nag-shopping ka? So that wraps up our visit here at the Hua Lo prison. Energy is kind of affected. Every time I go to museums where there's war involved or fighting, it really affects me a lot. It's important for us to learn our history kasi dun tayo natututo kung anong pwedeng mangyari moving forward. We have to learn from the mistakes of the past. Sending love and light to all of the souls that were affected during the war. Kami naman ay iikot-ikot dito sa old quarters para ma-shopping. Bakit ka nandito sa bilihan ng mga alahas? Nabila ka ng sing-sing ni Jay. Bakit ka pa bibili ng sing-sing sa Vietnam pa? Window with her. Mumurahin lang naman. Thank you! Okay, pa-date ni Mayor. So, papasok na kami ni Mami sa water puppet show. We got with audio guide from Klook.